Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add protection to a template in Word 2007. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to create a template in Word 2007. After this, if you want to save the text in the template by restricting the formattings and modifications, we can add protection to individual content controls or to a group of controls in a template and prevent others from deleting or changing them. We can also apply a password to protect all of the template content. Open the template that we want to protect. Select the text or group of the text to which we want to restrict the changes. After this, come to Developer tab. Click on Group in the Controls group and then click on Properties. It will open Group Properties window. In this, please check the box Content Control cannot be deleted and click OK. Now let's try to edit the text. We will get a warning in the status bar. This modification is not allowed because the selection is locked. And we can also add protection to all of the content in a template. Again, come to Developer tab. In the Protect group, click on Protect Document. From the options, please select Restrict Formatting and Editing. Then it will open Restrict Formatting and Editing task pane. Under Editing Restrictions, check the box Allow only this type of editing in the documents. In the list of editing restrictions, select the restrictions that you want. To limit the formattings, select No Changes, which will make the template as read only. And to allow comments, select to Comments. Here I want to restrict the formattings, so I'm selecting No Changes. And we can also allow some readers to be able to change the selected areas in our document. And finally, under Start Enforcement, click on Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Then it will open Start Enforcing Protection window. In this, we need to select the protection method, either by adding password or assigning user authentication. I want to enter a password to remove the protection. Click on OK. Now let's try to edit this, and we got a notification in the status bar. This modification is not allowed because the selection is locked. Now close the template. Again, open the template. Again, open the document. Now let's try to edit this, and it will open the Restrict Formatting and Editing task pane. Click on Stop Protection. Here we need to enter the password. I click on OK. Now we can edit this. Like this, we can add protection to a template in Microsoft Office Word 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.